Thank you for choosing to be here. Today I'm going to show you the newly released Google update in regards to sending bulk emails. They are taking effect immediately. And so I'm going to walk you through all of them and show you how you're going to navigate through all of them so that you get the best out of your email marketing campaign. And here we help you get more clients. Let's dive into it. The first one, email authentication requirement and recommendation. So this has been a standard practice in email marketing whereby your system or your sender must be authenticated using SPF, DKIM, DMARC, reverse DNS or ARC. So this has been common. The four of them have been common: SPF, DKIM, DMARC and RDNS. But the one that they have mentioned of late is ARC. And what they are saying is, if you receive an email from an authenticated sender and you forward it, that email will be treated as unauthenticated. So what does that mean? Reject emails from senders that are not unauthenticated if your purpose is to forward. So basically, this one, if the person setting up your email sender has done it right, you won't have any problem. And how do you check? The easiest way to check this one, you come to a platform like MX2. And then, for instance, you can have your domain here. You check if all the records are there. You can see that. And also you can check all the other records, MX, DNS, SPF, DMARC. All of them you check if your sender is has a DKIM. If it's not, you can always help you set up this and you can always reach out to us. The second one, infrastructure configuration. Majorly in this update, what they are talking about is the IP reputation. And it is in two categories: dedicated IP or shared IP. And the emphasis is ensure that the IP that you're sending from is not blacklisted. And if you're using shared platform, maybe your email commercial email providers who use a shared IP, ensure that the reputation of your sender is quite good. Again, you can always check the reputation in MX Toolbox and you'll be able to know the reputation of your sender. The third one click unsubscription. So they have said that when you're sending emails, your campaign should always have unsubscribe link, and always ensure that when a person clicks unsubscribe, they are automatically removed from your list. And for those whose process take a little bit longer, they have given 2 days, that is 48 hours, to ensure that when a person has unsubscribed, you have fully removed them from your list. And it's also very safe to remove people who have unsubscribed from your list. Reason being, if a person has unsubscribed, remember they had the option of marking you as spam, but they spared you that by telling you don't send me another email. So don't send an email to a person who has unsubscribed from your list. The next update is on message formatting. They have said several things about message formatting, which basically are the standard way through which we know email looks like. But one of the items I would wish to highlight is on the format whereby you use HTML or CSS. And they're saying ensure that you do not have hidden codes in your HTML or CSS. And basically what that means is when you're sending an email with HTML or CSS, you will be treated as a suspect. And that is why most of the time I always recommend keep your email as plain text. The next one is sending guidelines. Again, here they've said that send all your messages from the same IP address. There has been this conversation about IP rotation and all of that, but you can take it from Google. When they say that we want to be seeing your message coming from the same IP address, that will become the standard industry practice. So why you not follow it? So the concept of IP rotation will with time become troublesome when it comes to delivery rate, and that's the reason why if you come to us, we've been recommending send from the same IP, do not use IP rotation. The next one is with regards to volume. Here they are recommending that when you've newly set up your system, start by sending slowly and increase volume with time. And on top of that, I usually recommend going for a reputation building, which we have a tool that we can help you build reputation with. You can check email belts. Here we offer you a cold email VPS. You can get 15 million B2B leads and much more services, one of them being reputation building. And how this one works is it sends email from your sender to a pool of emails that we have, and then the pool of email interact with your sender. Once they receive an email, they reply to that email. In case any email lands in spam, it is removed and taken to inbox. The next one is avoid introducing sudden volume spikes. So if for instance you've been sending an average of maybe 100 emails per day, and then the next day you send 1,000 emails, that will be treated as suspicion. And remember, most of the emails that fly around have relationship with Google, so you may want to align yourself with this and ensure that you don't have sudden spikes when it comes to your volume. You gradually increase so that you're not seen as a suspicious sender. The other one in regards to sending is if you change your format, the format of the bulk email, gradually also transition. Assuming you've been sending an email in a certain category, and then you want to change, you're targeting a certain caliber of people, and then you want to change that and send to a different set of people. Again, gradually transition. Do not transition immediately with the volumes that you've been having. It's like you'll be starting again a little bit afresh with more volume, and then you can increase. And then there is the element of what they are calling special considerations. Avoid sending a test campaign. Well, that is now being treated as suspicious. The other one in regard to special considerations is the element of affiliate. For all affiliate networks that have been identified to be sending spam emails, if you use that, definitely you have jeopardized your sender. You need to tread carefully when it comes to sending affiliate links. And lastly is monitoring and troubleshooting. Always be checking your sender using our Postmaster tools to know the reputation of your sender, and your spam rate should not exceed 0.3%. So those are the latest updates from Google and Gmail, and they are taking effect immediately. So get yourself aligned, and in case you may need help with any of this, or you have any question that needs clarification, you can always reach out to us. Our contacts are in the description, and we will be more than willing to help you. And in case you need your own email marketing system, we always set that up for you. And we actually have an offer whereby we can set that up for you for free if you just buy a VPS, an annual plan of a VPS. We'll set if you buy SSD Cloud 3 annual plan, we'll set the system for free. The plan is here. You get it for free. Again, you will do I will give you additional plugins. We will do 30 days of warming up and reputation building. You also get 10,000 email verification, and in case your IP gets blacklisted, we do a replacement 3 times in the life of that VPS. So that's all I have for you for now. In case you have anything, don't forget to reach out, share, subscribe widely. Thank you. See you on the next one.